Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making brown butter banana bread, a rich, flavorful and moist banana bread. This is a must-try recipe for banana lovers and the perfect way to use ripe bananas. So let's start. First, making brown butter. Take 1/3 cup of butter in a pan. Melt it on low heat and stir occasionally. Continue cooking until it turns a golden brown color and gives off a nutty aroma. Brown the butter properly. This enhances the flavor with a nutty caramelized taste. Healthy fats from butter. Brown butter adds good fats for energy. Remove from the heat and let it cool down. Now take 2 ripe bananas in a bowl. Add 2 eggs. Mash the bananas. Bananas rich in potassium. Bananas support heart health and muscle function. Good source of fiber, helps digestion and keeps you full longer. Add 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup regular sugar. Pour in the cool brown butter and mix well. You can reduce sugar or replace it with honey for a healthier version. Brown butter adds a rich, nutty flavor that makes banana bread even more delicious. Mash the bananas well. A smooth batter gives the best texture. The smell of banana bread baking is scientifically proven to make people feel happy and nostalgic. It's a good source of fiber, helps digestion and keeps you full longer. Now sift together 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well and combine with the wet ingredient. Now add 1/4 cup milk and vanilla essence to make the batter smooth. Mix well. Don't overmix the batter. Mix until just combine to keep the bread soft and fluffy. Fold in 1/4 cup chocolate chips for extra richness. Banana bread is often mistaken for cake because it uses baking powder instead of yeast. It's actually a quick bread. Grease a 9-inch mold with oil and line it with baking paper. Banana bread became popular during the Great Depression as a way to use overripe bananas instead of wasting them. Pour the batter into the mold and sprinkle chocolate chips on top. Do you prefer banana bread with or without chocolate chips? Tell me in the comments. Hit the like button if you love banana recipes. Place a pan on the stove and add a wire stand. Preheat the pan on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold inside, cover and bake for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. This recipe doesn't require an oven. You can bake it in a pan on the stove. And there you have it. Our brown butter banana bread is ready. Soft, moist and full of rich, nutty flavor. Let it cool before slicing. This helps the flavor settle and makes slicing easier. Just look at the texture, perfectly golden with melted chocolate chips in every bite. Try this at home and let me know how it turned out. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and delicious baking recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss a new video. What's your secret ingredients for the best banana bread? Share your tips below. See you in the next recipe. Until then, happy baking! Want more quick and easy dessert recipes? Subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies now.